Today we will discuss some multiple choice question of chapter sound. Now here are some questions which I will deal. First question is, sound is a dash wave. There are three options: electromagnetic, mechanical, both. So right answer will be mechanical. Sound is a mechanical wave. As sound needs a material medium for their propagation, so sound will be a mechanical wave. Second question. Sound propagates through dash. There are three options: medium, vacuum and none. We all know that sound propagates through medium because sound needs medium for their propagation. Third question. Sound is produced by dash of an object. Three options are radiation, vibration, both. So right answer will be vibration. Sound is produced by vibration of an object. Fourth question. A wave which needs a material medium for their propagation is called dash. Three options are transverse wave, electromagnetic wave and mechanical wave. Right answer will be mechanical wave. A wave which needs a material medium for their propagation is called mechanical wave. Question number 5. Bees produces sound by dash. The three options are mouth, legs, wings. Here the right answer will be wings. Bees produces sound by wings. Question number 6. Speed of sound in air is dash. The three options given is 440 meter per second, 340 meter per second and 540 meter per second. The right answer will be 340 meter per second. Speed of sound in air is about 340 meter per second. Question number 7. Speed of sound in liquid is about dash. The three options are 1500 meter per second, 2500 meter per second and 4500 meter per second. The right answer will be 1500 meter per second. So the speed of sound in liquid is about 1500 meter per second. Question number 8. The space where there is no air is called dash. The given options are medium, vacuum, both. The right answer will be vacuum. The space where there is no air is called vacuum. Question number 9. How many times sound travels faster in steel than in air? The three options given here: 5 times, 10 times and 15 times. So right answer will be 15 times. The sound travels faster 15 times in steel than in air. Next question. Eardrum is present in dash part of our ear. The options are outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. The right answer will be outer ear. Eardrum is present in outer part of our ear. Question number 11. Unpleasant sound is called dash. Three options are music, noise, instrument. So right answer will be noise. Unpleasant sound is called noise. That sound which are not pleasant to our ear to hear is called noise. Question number 12. Violin produces sound by stressed dash. The three options are string, membrane, plates. Right answer will be string. Violin produces sound by stressed string. Question number 13. Name the quantity whose unit is hertz. Three options are amplitude, velocity, frequency. The right answer will be frequency. So frequency is a quantity whose unit is hertz. Question number 14. Whose sound is shriller? The options are man, woman, child. Among the three options, child sound will be shriller. Next question. One of the following can hear infrasound. This one is dog, bat, rhinoceros. Among these options, right answer will be rhinoceros. Next question. The human voice box is also called dash. Option is here larynx, second option eardrum, third option vocal cord. So right answer will be larynx. Human voice box is also called larynx. Next question. The vocal cord of a man is about dash. The options are 10 mm, 40 mm and 20 mm. The right answer will be 20 mm. The vocal cord of a man is about 20 mm. Next question. The reciprocal of a frequency is called dash. Option 1 velocity, option 2 amplitude, option 3 time period. The right answer will be time period. Reciprocal of frequency is called time period, and also reciprocal of time period will be frequency. Next question, question number 19. SI unit of loudness is dash. Three options given. First meter, second hertz, third decibel. Out of these options, right answer is decibel. SI unit of loudness is decibel. Last question, question number 20. Pitch depend upon dash of vibration. The three options given amplitude, frequency, time period. Pitch depends upon frequency of vibration. Pitch depends upon frequency of vibration. And in question 19, the SI unit of loudness is decibel. Thank you.